you want to do it? I think you should do it.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm the owner of Ceramic Pro Chicago, and we've been in business for well over like 10 years. So Ceramic Pro reached out to me about a year ago to be part of their dealer network. After talking to Eddie for a while, everything just makes sense. The product itself, the film, he sent us a sample, it's awesome. And then the marketing especially, it helps us a lot. We don't have to push a product out anymore because Ceramic Pro pretty much have everything, like their warranty, their marketing, their database, everything is all there already. And it's been there for like over 10 plus years. The marketing alone, the product alone, whatever the brand stands for, it's already all set. Using Ceramic Pro's product, so it's like a no-brainer pretty much. Elite dealer, I would say it's one step above what most Ceramic Pro installers are in terms of the quality, the level of install, exclusive products. Ceramic Pro Ion, Ultimate IR Tints, those two products alone is worth being an elite dealer. All of our clients, they've been really, really happy with the coating itself and the tint itself. The clarity of the tint, the ease of install, everything is just great about those products. And then you can only install those products if you're an elite dealer.
All right, I'm Sam, and in addition to Ceramic Pro Chicago, we also are a part of Chicago Car Collective, which is Chicago's newest storage facility and members lounge. I want to give you a little tour of the space and show you around. Here we have this beautiful SVJ finished in kind of a matte gold color. We really like to take pictures here in front of the artwork. And then if you walk over here, we have our triple stack lifts. We have 8 of these going across. So a lot of these cars are wrapped in Ceramic Pro PPF, and some of the cars have the ceramic coating on them. So the way this business works is that when you get a spot with Chicago Car Collective, you also get a membership. And you can see up there, we have a private members lounge with a full kitchen, smoking area, golf simulator, movie theater area. Members have 24 access up there. They're able to bring a +1. You know, if they want to bring more people, they just let us know, and usually that's okay. You know, they can block that room up for parties and events and stuff. Over here, we have some double stack lifts, just because the ceilings aren't as high over here. So we'll keep a lot of SUVs and then smaller like JDM kind of stuff on the top there. We have the Ceramic Pro area over here. All right, so this is the workshop area. What happens over here is the PPF work, the ceramic coating work, and window tinting. We got this beautiful Ford GT here, Carbon Edition. This car is fully PPF'd and ceramic coated. All right, so this is the members lounge at Chicago Car Collective. Members get 24-hour access up here. They also get a locker to keep cigars or liquor if they want. This is a smoking lounge, as well as having a full kitchen, lots of comfortable furniture. We have a mini garage inside the big garage, and we got a golf sim over here that doubles as like a TV, so you can watch movies or, you know, F1 races, anything like that on here. People can throw private events up here too if they want to. So we really wanted to make this a really cool place for members to hang out, talk about cars, you know, have an F1 watch party, and really just kind of live that car life. So when we were building Chicago Car Collective, it was really important to us that we wanted to have a mezzanine lounge that overlooked all the car area. So we're on the 2nd floor mezzanine right now, and you can see you got a really amazing view of all the triple lifts and all the cars. You can see when there's work being done down here. Yeah, it's just a fun place to hang out, smoke a cigar, have some whiskey, and talk to some good car people. So in addition to Chicago Car Collective lounge upstairs, we have our waiting area down here for Ceramic Pro customers. And they can, you know, sit down here while their car's being worked on. They can view their car's being worked on, whether they're being ceramic coated or wrapped over there or being prepped over here. So I'll take you into our prep area over here where we actually have Shmi 150s, brand new Mustang Dark Horse, and our elite detailer Alex working on the car right now, getting it all prepped and ready to go. So what we love about having the storage business here with Ceramic Pro is that we both protect the cars. Ceramic Pro protects the cars with the PPF, the ceramic coating, and the window tinting, while we keep them safe, clean, and secure.
So the most epic car we worked on would be the Aventador SVJ and the GT3 RS. So the SVJ, we did a ceramic coating on there on the matte paint, and that would just protect that matte finish. The owner doesn't want to wrap it, he wants to keep it all original. And then the GT3 RS, we're gonna do a full body wrap and also ceramic coating on top. So for someone that wants to become an elite dealer, I think consistency is the key. You can't just install a product and then call it a day. There's a lot of shop, they install pre-cuts, right? But pre-cuts are great to a certain extent. If you can do some custom installs, like improve your skills over time and just like master it, and then to the point where you can't improve anymore. Yeah, that's it.